The case when command can be used in T-SQL and SQL. In the when section, actions to be taken according to the situation are coded. Let's better understand how it works by making an example in SQL Server. I defined an integer variable. I set the variable equal to 5. In the when section, I coded what to do depending on the situation. If the number is greater than 10, the first text will be printed on the screen, otherwise the second text will be printed on the screen. Since the number is less than 10, the second text is printed on the screen. If the number was greater than 10, the second text would be printed on the screen. The second text was printed on the screen. Let's make an example using a table. I am creating a table with ID, first name, last name and salary columns. I am sending 20 records to the table. I can see the data in the table with the select command. Let's make an example using case when. If the data in the salary column is greater than 15,000, the first text will be printed on the screen. If it is between 10,000 and 14999, the second text will be printed to the screen. If it is less than 10,000, the third text will be printed on the screen. As you can see, I can control the data to be printed in the new column according to the data in the salary column. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.